Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is titled, Intel Just Changed Computer Graphics Forever, and it's a claim backed by real innovation. Intel has finally stepped out of the shadows of NVIDIA and AMD with its Arc Battlemage GPUs and a powerful software leap called XeSS2. For years, the graphics market has been a two-player game, but Intel's entrance at full scale could reshape pricing, accessibility, and the future of rendering forever. This isn't just another GPU launch, it's the start of a revolution. At the center of this change is the new Arc B series with models like the B580 and B570. Unlike Intel's first attempts with Alchemist, these GPUs are competitive, delivering up to 70% more performance per Z-core and 50% more efficiency per watt. The Arc B580, for example, has been shown to outperform the A750 by nearly a quarter at 1440p resolution. And that's before even factoring in Intel's new software ecosystem. Intel is clearly targeting mainstream gamers who want strong performance without paying flagship prices, making high-quality graphics more accessible than ever. What really transforms the playing field is Intel's software. XeSS2 is no longer just an upscaling tool. It's a complete performance suite. Using AI, it reconstructs sharper visuals from lower resolution frames, it generates extra frames to deliver silky smooth motion, and it integrates latency reduction technology so games feel more responsive. Together, these tools can nearly quadruple frame rates in supported titles, allowing a mid-range GPU to deliver an experience that rivals far more expensive cards. Intel is essentially saying you don't need a $1,000 GPU to enjoy premium gaming, and that message could change the expectations of millions of players. Hints in Intel's driver files suggest an even bigger step forward is coming: XeSS MFG, or multi-frame generation. Although not officially announced, evidence points toward Intel working on technology that can create multiple frames using AI, similar to NVIDIA's advanced frame generation. If true, this would push gameplay fluidity even further and show that Intel is not just catching up to its rivals, but actively pushing the envelope of what's possible with AI-assisted rendering. The industry is shifting from raw hardware power to intelligent software-driven performance, and Intel is helping to lead that change. To pursue this future, Intel has made some tough decisions. Older integrated GPUs, such as Iris Xe and chips in recent generations of CPUs, are being moved to legacy support. They'll no longer receive day zero optimizations for new games, only quarterly stability and security updates. This signals that Intel is investing all its resources into Arc discrete GPUs, making clear where its future lies. Similarly, traditional rendering features like 16x MSAA are being phased out in upcoming architectures, with Intel betting on AI upscalers like XeSS to provide better quality at a fraction of the cost. These changes may frustrate some, but they underline Intel's commitment to pushing forward rather than holding on to outdated methods. There were even rumors that Intel's collaboration with NVIDIA might mean the end of Arc, but Intel has confirmed otherwise. In fact, new device IDs for upcoming Battlemage GPUs like a possible Arc B770 have already appeared in Linux drivers, proving that Arc's roadmap is very much alive. Far from retreating, Intel is doubling down, refining its drivers, strengthening developer support, and preparing higher-end models to expand its presence in the market. The reason this moment feels so historic is because it changes the balance of power. NVIDIA and AMD have long dictated performance tiers and pricing, leaving gamers with limited choices. Intel's arrival as a serious third option forces competition that benefits consumers. More importantly, Intel is proving that software innovation is just as important as hardware specs. By integrating AI-driven upscaling, frame generation, and latency reduction, Intel is democratizing high-quality graphics. Smooth frame rates and sharp visuals are no longer tied exclusively to premium cards. They're becoming available to players with modest budgets. In conclusion, Intel's Arc Battlemage GPUs and the breakthrough of XeSS2 represent more than a new product launch. They represent a new era where affordability meets advanced performance, where AI enhances rendering in real time, and where competition reshapes the industry. Intel has made bold choices, from cutting off legacy support to betting on software-first strategies, and those choices are already paying off. This is why the statement, "Intel just changed computer graphics forever," isn't an exaggeration. It's the reality of a market finally breaking open.